Lot 133, the 1961 Jaguar E-Type Series 1 3.8-Litre Roadster. Sometimes car companies really get it right the first time. There is no more attractive E-Type than this one. Flat floors, welded bonnet louvers, external latches, and the early Series 1 dashboard and lighter seats, all finished in this striking Carmen Red with white wall tires. This is a matching numbers car awarded 100 points by the JCNA, the 1961 E-Type Roadster.
Absolutely, Alan. I would say that this is just about as good as it gets. Look at that. And of course, flat floor, side bonnet lock, 100 points. Pretty impressive if you ask me. Where do you want to start me on the most fabulous and the most desirable E-Type variant in the world? I would say $100,000 would be very reasonable point to start. $100,000 would like to start me, thank you. $100,000 I have already at $100,000 now. Do I have 125 anywhere in the room now? At $100,000, 125, young man, thank you. 125,000 selling here, 150. Thank you, 150,000. Where's my young man? $175,000 now, 175,000 already. Do I have $200,000? Thank you, I have a bit at 200,000. Do I have 225, young man? Why not? Give me one good reason. At 200,000, surely you're not paying the bill, it's not a problem. That's $200,000 then. The bid's behind you, seated at just 200,000. 225. 225,000 I am bid, no reserve, selling all the way. $250,000 I have. At 250,000, selling. At $250,000 do I have 275? 275,000, new bidder, lots of interest. $300,000 I have at 300,000 now. 325 now, gentlemen. We're at $300,000. The bid's against you, seated behind you, and you're missing the car at 300,000. I've got you, sir. 300,000. Do I have 325 from you, gentlemen? I shall sell. It's absolutely no reserve. It's here to be sold. I'm going to count it down. Don't miss it. Flat floor, side bonnet lock at $300,000. Then it's going behind you for the first time. Are you sure about this? At $300,000, I'll take a small one if it helps. It's going behind you for the second time, sir. You're missing it. 10 if you're quick. At $300,000 then for the third and very last time, if we're all done, all finished at $300,000. Sold, your E-Type, well done, congratulations. 4800, $300,000.